Ramadan is a time of reflection, gratitude, and togetherness. It's a time when hearts open and communities come together, regardless of faith, background, or culture. The JRJ Interfaith Iftar is more than just a meal. It's a symbol of unity, respect, and the strength of diversity. For the third year in a row, the Black Bear Canadian Immigration is honoured to support this beautiful tradition. Canada is built on the values of multiculturalism, respect, and inclusivity. When we break bread together, we break barriers. When we share stories, we build bridges. And when we come together in love, we create a stronger, united Canada. May this Ramadan bring peace, understanding, and blessings to all. Let's continue to build a Canada where everyone belongs.